unpleasant. Mount Pleasant Football Academy facing possible sanctions for alleged use of ineligible players in the Jamaica Premier League. And ringside support. Multi-million-dollar investment by JOA in local boxing to help preparation for LA 28 Olympics.
Good evening. I am Jermaine Brown, and the details of these and more when we return.